What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Aioz, which has pumped up quite a bit over the last week or so. As you guys can see with the Bitcoin pump, this crypto has pumped up quite a bit, so we're going to be going through what is next for Aioz. Is it a crypto to be investing into right now? Is it too late? Should you wait for it to dip back down? Or if you're on a profit, is it one to be selling and taking out your profits, or is it one to hold going into 2025? So we'll be covering both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as looking at both short-term and long-term investors. So as you guys can see, Bitcoin has also taken a slight dip in value since earlier yesterday, where it was trading at $89,000. Right now it's trading at $86,000, which I did let you guys know late last week. Do expect the crypto market to go for a little bit of a step back earlier this week, because it is overvalued and cryptos are likely to go for a price correction, and that is exactly what's happening right now. But again, no major crash is expected as of yet. So Aioz has pumped up over 35% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just under 70 cents. So can it essentially hit the dollar mark later on in November? And if so, how high can it go for 2024? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I will be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis, especially that Aioz has literally broken out from every resistance level and is currently trading in the top tier level here. Can it essentially mean it is overvalued and likely to crash back down? We'll find out very shortly. For now, let me hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Aioz, which is here in purple at 47 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here at nearly 70 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, it is not looking too great. As you guys can see, the blue and the orange line are both looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and indeed they are looking quite steep as well. Reason why they're looking so steep is because of the dip that took place over the last couple of hours. As you guys can see, it went from 80 cents all the way down to about 64 cents in a space of about 3 to 4 hours. So that is quite of a dip in a short amount of time, and the graph thinks the crypto is going to keep crashing down in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. However, that is not the case. That's not realistic. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Aioz network to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. However, do expect more red candles over the coming hours. It is likely to drop down just below 65 cents before it slowly starts to head back up towards 73 to 75 cents later on this evening and in the early hours of tomorrow. So do expect quite of a wave. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days again, now we're not looking too steep. It is looking much more realistic. We do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards a negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected over the next 7 to 8 days guys. So towards the end of this week, early next week, the crypto should essentially be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. So what that means is, yes, it is likely to pump up. It is even likely to head up to about 80-85 cents over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to dip back down towards the end of this week and early next week, down to around 65 cents in value is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by the end of this week and early next week. So as you guys can probably see, 65 cents is nothing major. It's a minimal dip from where it is at the moment. However, if you consider the increases in value that are also likely to take place, then yes, that could be a major drop, depending on again when you see the drop coming into place. So moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks it has taken a complete U-turn here. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning an overall increase in value is what is expected from Aioz over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So essentially towards the end of this year, very early next year, Aioz should be trading at higher value. And yes guys, I am expecting the crypto to be heading over the dollar mark towards the very end of this year and early next year as well. It should easily be able to hit the dollar mark. However, if there are any major updates to this, I will let you guys know as soon as possible, just to let you guys know if it cannot hit that, or is gonna literally break out, go way past the dollar mark, anything like that. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So as you guys can see, as I was saying earlier on in the video, this crypto has literally broken up from every resistance level and currently trading in the top tier level here right now, which for me, that means it is slightly overvalued and likely to go for a price correction. So that's what I meant by hitting 65 cents. So dropping back down into the blue zone here is where I'm expecting Aioz network to be trading at towards the end of this week, before it slowly starts to break out again from this resistance level into the top tier level in the second half of towards the end of November. So let's get rid of this. Heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 400% in the last 24 hours, making it $86 million in trading, guys, which is again a huge increase in trading. Reason is quite obvious, it's pumped up quite a bit. Over the last week itself, it has pumped up near about 80%. So we are seeing a lot more people trading the crypto. As you guys can see in the community, 93% are bullish and only 7% are bearish, guys. So yeah, there's been a lot of hype around this crypto. Let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting this crypto to hit the dollar mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you so much for all the support, guys, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.